Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome. Inshallah, for this video I want to show you how to start halal investing with Fidelity or any other brokerage account step by step. This video is mainly for anybody who already knows the importance of investing and they just don't know how to do that, especially in a halal way. So I want to show you how to do that, how to invest in a halal way. There are a lot of brokerage accounts and platforms to invest with, but the main trusted ones are Fidelity Investment, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, and there's other ones too. But those three are the main ones, especially in the US. So you can invest with any of these three. For this video, I will show you how to invest using Fidelity since I already have that and I know how to do that. But I think it will be the same for the three of them. The main thing is, since this video is how to invest in halal way, is actually knowing which halal ETFs to invest with. So when it comes to Fidelity, they are available in other countries as well. For example, they are available in Europe, and then you have all these countries in Europe that you can find, and then you have in Asia too, and then other countries such as Canada and Brazil. So if you are in any of these countries, then you can invest in Fidelity, and I'm sure it's the same is with the other ones too. Also, you have Muslim platforms and brokerage accounts you can invest with, such as Wahid Invest, Amana, and other ones. But the main thing is knowing which halal ETFs to invest with. So there are a couple of them, but the one I currently use is the S&P 500 Sharia, which is basically the halal version of S&P 500. And then you have other ones too. I will share in the description a post I did in Twitter, which I explained the different halal ETFs and basically the step by step in writing. So I will share that in the description section of this video. So now I want to show you how to start halal investing with Fidelity step by step. To do that, go to fidelity.com and here is the homepage. Then click open an account. And here you have the different accounts you want to open. So you have the retirement account you can open, and there are different retirement accounts you can open, but I will recommend opening a Roth IRA since this is tax-free growth, and then later you can have tax-free withdrawal. I currently have this, so I will highly recommend you choose this if you're looking to invest in a retirement account. And for retirement account is like a long-term investment, so think in 20 years, 30 years, 4 years in the future, inshallah. But then if you're looking for a short term, so let's say anything less than 10 years, then I will say open a brokerage account. And this can be, for example, if you are saving for buying a house, or as a Muslim, if you want to go to Hajj and you want to invest for that, then, or any other goal you want to invest for the short term, then you can choose this account. Also, you have the option of opening a 529 account, which is basically for your children, and you can invest for their education in the future, inshallah. This is good. I feel like this is important if you have children, and you can start this when they are very young. You can open an account for them. So there are different accounts you want to choose. Whichever one you choose, the process or the step by step is the same. Since I already have retirement account, I will just click on that, and then like I said, I will choose the Roth IRA, so I will click that. And the first thing is just basically they just want to confirm your identity. So here is where you provide them your social security, your bank information and other stuff, employment information. This will take you, I think, less than 10 minutes to do this. And after that, you will create your username and password, which I feel like is the best part because you can do everything online. You don't have to go anywhere. You can just invest while you are in your house and just log in and start investing. And after you do that, you can start the process of transferring your money to your account, which is by linking your bank with Fidelity. So I will not do this since I already did this, but this is very easy. They will guide you on how to do that, and then you will open an account with them. So after you set up your account, then now it's time to fund your account. if you didn't do that when you were opening your account, I will show you how to do that. Also, it's nice to know how to do that. So I logged into my Fidelity. So if you are in your Fidelity, then you will see the accounts and trade tab. Click that, then click transfer. So when it comes to transferring, there's a lot of options you can do. I will highly recommend to set up a recurring transfer, because with this, then you automate it and then you don't have to worry about it. So for example, you can start with investing maybe $50 or $20 a month, and then you set that up, and then monthly it will just do that automatically and you don't have to worry about it. So I will highly suggest to do that. Next step, and the most important step, is actually investing in Halal ETF. So if you transfer money from your bank to your Fidelity account but you don't do anything with it, then it's not going to do anything. It's just going to sit there. You're not actually investing. So to invest, go back to the account and the trade tab and then click trade. So here is where you wanna set up your trade. So you have different options you can choose from, but we wanna invest in Halal ETF, so we will choose the first one, the ETFs, stocks and ETFs. So we click that and then select an account, which is the account you chose. For example, mine is the Roth IRA I have, so I will choose that. For you is whatever account you set up, so you should be able to have that in there. And then also you can have other accounts too, but I only have this for now. So, and then it shows you the money that is available, the money you currently have. So when you are transferring money, please do transfer money, because you need money in order to buy a Halal ETF. So make sure you have money in your account, which is transferring money from your bank to a Fidelity account. And the Halal ETF we want to buy is this one, the S&P 500, which is this. So I will copy that and then go back and paste it. I already have that, but I will just show you. So I will just paste that, which is the first one, which is S&P 500 Sharia. So I will click that. So for one share, this is the price currently, and this depends on the time of the day and the day. So for me, this is the price currently when I'm recording this. So so you want to buy that, so you will click buy. If you're selling, you will click sell, but now we are buying one. So because we want to invest in this Halal ETF, so we'll click buy. And then when it comes to shares and dollars, we will use ChatGPT to explain better. So if you want to buy a share, which is the whole share, which is this price currently, then you will click that. Maybe you have $50, $100, basically more than this available in your account, then, or you want to buy a whole share, then you will click that and choose that. But for example, if you don't have enough money in there for that amount, the whole amount for one share, and maybe you want to start with, I don't know, $10, $20, just at the beginning, you just want to, start small and start with anything, then you want to click dollars. Then for example, you will choose, I don't know, $10, $20, whatever you want to start with. So you will choose that. So let's go back to ChatGPT so we can understand better. So basically, share and share amount is the exact share you want to buy. So one share, for example, is $42.80. So if you have that, then you buy that. You can buy one share, two share, three share. But then the dollar amount, you can choose anything. So you can choose $5, $10, $100, whatever you want to invest. So that's the difference between dollar amount and the share amount, which is this two. So I will, for example, you can do that, but I will just go ahead with one share. For example, I have $50, which I currently don't, but usually that's how I do. So I will just click one share, which will be the $42.80. Then after that, I either have to choose market or limit to better to market. So when it comes to market, that means you want to buy immediately and you don't want to control price. So you don't have that option of controlling price. You just want to buy quickly or sell quickly, so you have that option. But if you choose the limit one, then it will take time, but you have a better price control and you can wait for a better price. So if I want to quickly buy and I don't want to wait, then I will click market. But if I want to wait and so I can better control the price I want, then I will click limit, and then I will choose the same price or any other price. So basically it doesn't go above that. So that's the price I want. So I will click limit, choose the price I want, and then you have a day, or let's use ChatGPT to explain that. So for the day order is basically if you are trading for the day, it closes at the end of the day. So if you are trading at the end of the day, so for me, for example, it's 5 p.m. so that I cannot do, because already the market is closed, so I cannot use this option of a day. But if you do have the time where the market is still open, you can use that, where you are trading a day, and then this is quick. Basically, you want to do it now, today, I want to buy that, so let's go, then do that, and the market is still open. But if you want to wait and then you have better price targeting, then you can choose that. So you can choose whichever one you want, and after that you preview the order. So at the beginning, I will just say, if you're a beginner, don't even worry about it, don't complicate it, just click buy, and then click the share price, choose one share. Like at the beginning, just do for $50 if you can afford it. If not, then that's fine. Maybe if you're doing $10, $20, then you can choose the dollar amount. But if you can afford $50 or this price, $42.80, sometimes it can go up, sometimes it can go down. It depends on the day and the time. Just choose share and just choose one share amount, and just do market, especially if you still have time, if the market is open, and then preview order, and that's how you submit. If you want to play around, and then I will suggest using ChatGPT. ChatGPT does a really good job for me. You see, it tells me the different time setting, the different between the order type, which is market, unlimited, and other stuff. So you can learn by using ChatGPT, or you can just, if you want to follow mine, and you want to quickly buy and just start investing, then just click buy, click share, click the amount, which is one share. Make sure you have that many available, or wherever many it shows in there. And then if the market is still open, just click market, and then click preview order. For me, it will not, because I don't have the money. And so if you want to add, for example, if you didn't add before, you can add a fund here, or you can go back to account and trade, and then you can click transfer, and you can set up a recurring transfer, and is how you invest in Halal ETF using Fidelity, or you can use any other brokerage account or Islamic platform. The main thing is to just start, don't wait for it, start investing. If you have any questions, you can ask them below, or you can send me a message, and also I will leave the Twitter post I wrote about this in the description, and hopefully you do